So what you do?
What me do? I'm a chef.
I love food, you know? Baba, to the man who a chef. I love food.
You love food? Alright. I have to go prepare something mad. Tell me something. What's your favorite dish?
Chicken and rice.
Just some, no, just chicken and rice? No specific way where you like the chicken?
Jerk, barbecue, fry, brown stew, curry chicken.
Alright, me get it. I realize say I love chicken. But you know you have different style of chicken outside of them category there?
I know, like popcorn chicken.
Not that. You ever try chicken Alfredo?
How about that?
Alright, so throughout the rice is like you have chicken with pasta, you know, and the sauce is Alfredo. So we use a little white wine, you know, and we use Parmesan cheese, and then you're a cheese person too, right? Yeah man, so I'm gonna prepare that for you. Chicken Alfredo.
Ready for it, you know? Ready for it.
Alright.
Angie, think. It's obvious it was an inside setup. But what do you think went wrong, and how could it have been avoided?
Unless the courier and the anchor hit the ground at the same time.
Bingo! Now, you have a very good idea as to what went wrong. More importantly, how it can be avoided in the future. Remember I told you this. The only thing wrong when something goes wrong is if you learn nothing from it.
I understand, sir.
Okay, let's make sure. As you have already indicated that you understand, the anchor and the courier cannot hit the ground at the same time. If there's a backup person come with them, worse. What has to happen is first they arrive, park in a way that allows them to be able to leave rapidly if they need to. You don't park head first into any parking space. Then the door opens and the anchor comes out, takes up a position that's defensible. The door is to be locked the minute the anchor leaves the vehicle. The anchor is surveying the area at least 1 to 2 minutes. Got that? What are they looking for? Car with heavily tinted windows just sitting there with the engine running. How do you know if the engine is running? You look at the tailpipe and see if there's smoke coming out of it. Look and see if anybody has no business standing on the sidewalk down from you, but is busily window shopping in something that's not open. Stuff like that. People who don't want to make eye contact with you. If none of that is present, the signal, the prearranged signal is given. Don't wave anybody in because anybody watching you can see you calling someone. Cross your hands, whatever. The weapon you're given is to remain in your hand ready. Safety off. Then the courier comes out of the vehicle. Within first 2 to 3 steps of the courier being on the ground, the backup comes out behind the courier and locks. The driver stays in the vehicle with the engine running. The courier goes to the door. There's supposed to be no pause because the anchor would have already told the person who is opening the door that they're there. No pause, straight in. The courier goes in and the backup person walking back ways through the door covers him and shuts back the door with him and the courier inside. The anchor is on the outside. That's arrival. They don't want you on departure because you have dropped off everything they want once you're in there. It is not foolproof. Some idiot will try. But you notice I say idiot because they will find themselves between fires. Am I making sense to you?
Perfect sense, sir.
Finally, Although they're supposed to do this thing on given times, they can't do it like clockwork. Because people will know what time Big Ben strikes.